Welcome to the Delgado Library's Logistics Research Guide. To find this guide, use the URL dcc.libguides.com/logistics. We've gathered lots of useful information for you to support your studies in your logistics course. Scroll to the bottom of this first page and you'll see tabs for each of your logistics courses. Each tab has information about the course itself and a link to an online library for that course. There are also general logistics online library resources linked above the individual courses. To get back to the Logistics Research Guide, click the Back button. You can browse additional resources the Delgado Library offers, such as logistics reference materials, books, ebooks, databases, and journals. Click on a journal title to access information about that journal and current or past issues of the journal. Including articles within the journal itself. Click on the Media tab for logistics videos. Under Websites, you'll find links to logistics news, associations and agencies, career sites, and information on doing logistics research. You'll also find a link to an online library of materials provided by trade associations. Click Careers to find general information about doing careers research and creating a resume or cover letter. There is also a link to the Logistics Career Development Library. Under Writing and Citing, you'll see information about writing a paper and citing your sources. The final tab is Ask a Librarian. Here are numbers to get in touch with us in the library, including how to chat with us online or text us. I hope you enjoy using the Delgado Library's Logistics Research Guide.